My ideal job would be that I was the boss myself. Kubutilla has a great natural will that allows to produce many foods. However, these products are not transformed to have an added value. I want to create company with the Kubutilla products, take them to sell to other places, and thus obtain benefits for me and for all farmers. I am a farmer who knows the difficulties we can have. That is why I want to train myself and create a company that gives the Kubutillense farmer the opportunity to obtain the corresponding value for his work.